So, room tour tayo dito sa Address Sky Hotel. Dito sa Dubai, sa may downtown area. So, this is a 5-star hotel. And ito yung kanyang lagayan ng mga towel and mga baggage. And meron din dito ang salamin. Okay. And here we have some cabinets on the right side. And then meron tayong salamin dito. And of course, meron tayong washroom area. Ito yung washroom area niya. And meron siyang bathtub. Wow, nice. So this is what a 5-star hotel looks like here in Dubai. Then meron tayong salamin. And meron din dito mini bar. Pero pinasara ko kasi hindi mo uminom. Just sofa. And then we have here the bed. And yung TV niya. So we're lucky kasi Pinoy yung reception sa baba. So nabigyan ako ng upgrade. So meron tayong balcony with a view outside of downtown and Hikmis Tower, and of course the Burj Khalifa.